Well, I request our college students to kindly welcome Shri Sunil Galgotia by presenting a bouquet. And I would request our college students to welcome all our dignitaries here on the stage. So I request them to welcome Mr. M.S. Bitta, Chief of All India Anti-Terrorist Front. और जोरदार तालियां उनके स्वागत में. Well, my apologies. I would also like to request Dr. Jha to kindly join us here on this stage and take his seat. Everybody, a huge round of applause to Dr. Jha. Well, now I request our students to please welcome Mr. Navjot Singh Sidhu, MP and cricketer. Now I request to please welcome Mr. Rajiv Sehdev, our head HR Mozabel Limited, by presenting him a bouquet. Zordar taliyan. Now we would like to welcome Mr. Vikas Ahuja, DC Head of Infosys, and I request our students to present him a bouquet. Zordar taliyan. Come on, everyone. A very, very warm welcome to all our dignitaries here. And like I said, that we all are aware of this institution's excellent infrastructure, the awards that this institution has got, the faculty outstanding placement cell. And to tell you more about this institution, now I kindly request Mrs. Vinny Mathur to join me here on this stage.
Thank you, Devika. A very good afternoon to all the distinguished guests, parents, students, and faculty of Galgotia's University. I proudly welcome you all to our university. To tell you a little bit about ourselves, we are a true academic powerhouse, and most of the energy of this university comes from you all, our students. The university is a modern university committed to engage with the major issues of today. This university is generating, disseminating, and preserving knowledge. We are dedicated to providing our students with an education that combines rigorous academic study and excitement, making us amongst the top universities of India. We admit only excellent students from all walks of life to remain at the forefront center of teaching, learning, and research, and pursue knowledge with rigor, because we at Galgotias strongly believe in the creation of knowledge and transmission of ideas to our students. Our programs are known for its emphasis on critical thinking, taking into consideration the real-world scenario and the openness of our environment. Our mission at Galgotias is to educate outstanding students to become leaders in the society and make their experience at Galgotias a life-changing one. The university is led by a distinguished faculty having unparalleled reputation in their respective fields of education, who have come from all over India and the world to make this university a better one. We have won many laurels and awards for our outstanding contribution in the field of education. To name a few, we have won the Galgotias Educational Institutions was awarded the 18th Business School Award and the Z Business Ipsos Indica Survey, the top B school of India. The Open C4 survey rated GEI among the top colleges for 100% placements. We were awarded the prestigious Academic Excellence Award by Shri Prakash Jaiswal, Minister of State of Home Affairs, for Best Academic Infrastructure and Faculty. We truly hope you all have an enriching experience by being a part of us. Wishing you all the very luck for a bright future. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, Mrs. Mathur. And now, before we start this program, this is such an auspicious day, auspicious occasion. I request our dignitaries here, Shri Sunil Galgotia, Mr. Rajiv Sahadev, Mr. Vikas Ahuja, Mr. M.S. Bitta, Mr. Navjot Singh Sidhu to start the program by lighting the lamp. I also request our Professor K.N. Tripathi, Professor Sudarshan, and Professor Renu Luthra to kindly accompany them. Thank you so much. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we can't tell you how happy we are to have all of you here. And let us all start this beautiful day, beautiful program by Saraswati Vandana. मैं चाहूँगी आप सभी हमारे students का जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत करें.
श्वेत शतदल आसनी शुभ सुमति का वरदान